Unitysystem solutions. Made to do it all. No task is too big for the Aspire 5. With the pulse of the cutting-edge 13th Gen Intel Core processors, this beast promises unmatched acceleration and responsiveness. Complement that with the colossal onboard DDR4 memory and lightning-fast 512GB PCIe SSD storage, and you've got a machine that doesn't just keep up with your needs, it's always 2 steps ahead. Whether you're editing videos, managing massive datasets, or engrossed in an intensive gaming session, the Aspire 5 ensures seamless multitasking and productivity. Clear and comfortable viewing, bid adieu to strained eyes and restricted views. Whether you're designing, gaming, or streaming, the 16:9 aspect ratio and slender bezel grant you more room to breathe. Choose between the 39.62 cm, 15.6, 1080p IPS display or amp it up with the FHD screen boasting a 45% NTSC color gamut. Coupled with Acer's proprietary suite of visual technologies, every pixel offers dynamic color, ensuring utmost clarity and comfort for those long hours in front of the screen. The connectivity. Living in a digital age means we're always plugged in, always connecting. And the Aspire 5 ensures you never miss a beat. Whether it's transferring massive files, hooking up your favorite peripherals, or simply charging your devices, its comprehensive range of ports ensures you're ready for every task and adventure that comes your way. RTX superiority. Gaming on the Aspire 5 is not just playing, it's experiencing. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX dedicated GPU under its hood, prepare to be mesmerized by graphics so lifelike and smooth that they blur the line between virtual and reality. Dive deep into the world of ray tracing and AI technologies, pioneering changes in the gaming and creative landscape. Keyboard 99, 100, 103 key Acer backlit keyboard with international language support, with indicators of caps lock and F4, microphone mute. Battery backup, up to 6 hours battery cell 3 cell. Collaborate confidently. Step into meetings or connect with friends and family, knowing every word you utter and every emotion you share will be captured with pristine clarity. With Acer's Purified View's advanced AI solution, video calls are sharper than ever. The dual digital microphones, backed by Acer Purified Voice, ensure noise-free, crystal clear audio, making virtual collaborations as real and effective as face-to-face ones.